Hello everyone, this is Carla with Flywheel Motors in Olive Branch, Mississippi. Introducing you to the latest addition to our lot, the 2004 Acura. Says excellent tread on those tires. Let's make our way around and check out the exterior. As you can see, windows are tinted. Alright, on to the inside. Alright, we got 212,225 miles on this vehicle. We also have power windows and power lock. You also have your volume control for the radio, cruise control as well. AC works very good. It's very cool. Also, we have a sunroof. Let's check out the back. Alright, nice and spacious. As you can see, tan leather seats. Fair condition, not too bad. So there you have it, our Acura. To see pictures, please visit our website at flywheelmotors.com, or you can give us a call at 662-420-7682. You can also text us. We'll respond. We'll love to hear from you. Have a great day.